I'm going to give you a run through of the white noise machine. It does have a USB cord which needs to be plugged into the wall to operate. It doesn't have an internal battery. It can operate with this optional mood light. I'll scroll through that shortly. I'm just going to give you a showing of what the sounds are like.
Turn on the sound.
So it has fan sounds. There's a few options in depending what type of fan noise you would like. So you just tap it to activate those. Then there's nature sounds. You can see the lights going at the same time. That's optional. I just got the light on because it's quite dark here this evening, but you can operate without the light going, and you can also have the light staying on one colour. Then it's got some lullaby type sounds as well. It also has this button here which is a timer, so it can operate for 15, 30, 60 or 90 minutes with this timer. And then there's volume controls, and this is where the light control is. So you can turn that off and then tap it again to turn it on, or to go through the colours that you like, or you can have it on rotating colours. So that is the white noise machine.
Turn off the sound.